Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So in this course today we will cover new session by tab and window with examples. So in Eclipse in utility file I have added two methods, one for new tab and one for new window. Just you have to write one line driver dot switch to new window window type tab for opening new tab, okay, and for window you have to write dot window. It will open your window, new window, okay. So I have created very small program in which I have called this new tab and open new window, okay. Rest of the browser will launch maximize mode, implicit wait I have put, URL radio same I have taken to get the title, and then I have taken this open new tab and wait so that you can able to see, okay, the window opening and the tab opening, okay, and then tear down means closing the browser. Let's run it. So browser is launching, URL came, page is loaded now. So now it should click to new tab, done, new window, done. Like this it will close the browser. So like this it should happen, and it is a new feature in Selenium 4. In one line you can do it. Okay. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, like and do share my video. And if you have any question, please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.